Well, let's start off with a status update. The transmission is out. Transmission, automatic transmission is off the replacement motor. There's the torque converter. There's your flywheel. We've got the engine stand here for the engine to go on while we clean everything up. You can see there's some work that needs to be done on this motor. The sending unit, or the pressure switch for the oil, started leaking, so we got a new one for that. But we've got to go through everything and do some cleaning and replacing some gaskets and clean her all up, get her ready to go. The engine is up on the stand and the cleaning has begun, getting everything cleaned up. Took the stock exhaust manifolds off. I'm going to put the headers on it, of course. And started cleaning everything up. A little hot today. We're going to stop for today and we'll get back on it soon. We'll update you more later. There's the intake. There's the motor. Here we are, another Saturday, another day working on the race car. So we got the valve cover gasket off, checking everything out. A new valve cover gasket, new spark plug tube gaskets. Clean this up, put it back together, and we'll flip it, do the oil pan gasket, rear main seal, get some other stuff off, start getting it assembled and getting it ready to go back in. Everybody's having fun. The oil pan is off and being cleaned. New oil pan gasket's ready to go in. Valve cover's done, everything's torqued down. New plugs have been installed. It's coming along, we're getting there. All oil pan bolts are torqued down. Oil pan is cleaned and reinstalled with new gasket. Next is intake, exhaust manifold, and put it back up in where it goes. Hopefully it'll be done in a couple weeks so we can run it Sebring, I believe, Labor Day weekend. We'll see what happens.